Hello everyone. In this part I'm going to continue graphing and plotting function, and I'm going to show you another way to plot the variables and the graphs. So let me bring back the x. This is the x and this is the y that we had. Also, you know that in workspace area you do have these variables as well. If you come to here on plots and click enter and click it, you see that you're given some options. Please note that your plots may be inactive, and the reason is that you have to click on these values and make them active. Then this area will be accessible for you. For example, you need to plot x. So you can just click on it and you have x, or you can plot y like that, and you see that the x values are normally taken into consideration without telling MATLAB explicitly. So I can use different types of graphs as well, like this or this, histogram, semilog, and log stem. There are plenty of options available, and I encourage you to play with them, explore them. Which one do you like to work with most? And you know, it's fun that we can plot all these graphs so easily. So let me clear the screen. In this part, I would like to tell you about different options for plotting graphs and variables. You know, then as we learned, the normal style for plotting was like this: x versus y in this format. Please note that this is the most basic type, and we can, let me type it so I can get the suggestion. Okay, so plot x and y. We can put the value for x, the value for y, and also a lot of properties, a lot of values which are really, really important. To give you an example, let me type x and y, and then we have another optional section, and we put comma and then two single quotation, close parentheses. What comes inside these single quotations can change properties of our graph. We can change the color, we can change the style, and also the marker. To show you an example, I would like to graph the plot in magenta color. So I put M here, and if I hit enter, you see that now the color of the graph is magenta. Let's try another one. I try cyan, very good. Let's go red, like that, and other colors like blue, white, and black. Let's go blue, black. Let's go black because we had blue. Okay, so this is the black color. Also, we can, instead of color, we can define the style. If I put two dashes, and now my graph is in dash. If I put colon, I do have in dotted format. And also I can put dash dot, and this is exactly what I receive at the end. When it comes to styles, I can use plus, and now you see that the graph is in plus, small pluses all over the graph. Or I can use O, letter O, and now I have circles. I can use asterisks like that. Other stuff that we can use is dot. We can use caret sign to get like a triangle. We can use S to get a square. And finally, we can go with D, which is a diamond. So these these feature, the last column, which is optional, give us more access to plot, and we further can customize the plot. At the end, let me type the plot x and y, and this is the normal plotting that we had, and you witness how many customizations we were able to implement on this single graph. In next video, we will explore the graphing in more detail.